ForgeRock is a powerful identity and access management platform. Installing it requires careful preparation to set up the platform efficiently. Here's how to do it. System requirements. Ensure your system meets ForgeRock's prerequisites for Java, memory, and storage. Install Java Development Kit 11 or later. Download ForgeRock. Visit the ForgeRock website and download the required components. Prepare your environment. Extract the downloaded files to a directory of your choice. Set environment variables such as java_home and path to point to your Java installation. Install ForgeRock services. Run the setup scripts for each ForgeRock component. For Access Manager, navigate to the extracted directory and execute the setup script. Follow the prompts to configure basic settings. For directory services, execute the installation script, configure the directory, and start the service. Start services. Start ForgeRock services using provided scripts or commands in the respective directories. Access the admin console via a web browser. Post-installation. Configure the platform via the admin console to meet your organization's identity management needs.